Now next question. Where is Siddharth gone? अभी तो यही था. Next is Avni's turn is over, isn't it? ठीक है.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो next is Yug. Yug, turn on your camera. The substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called dash agent. A substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called dash agent. Yug.
Oxidation.
Oxidizing agent. Okay. Next, oxidizing agent. ये clear है? Substance which is reduced in a redox reaction is called oxidizing agent, and substance which is oxidized in a redox reaction is called reducing agent.
Reduction.
ठीक है? Next is Hardik. What are two necessary conditions for rusting of an iron article? Hardik, what are two necessary conditions for rusting of an iron article? Okay, anybody? Necessary condition for rusting? Yes, Kavin?
Ma'am, moisture in the atmosphere.
Good. And?
I don't know the second one.
Okay, Hardik, you are raising hand. So yes, tell me.
Presence of oxygen in the atmosphere.
Okay, presence of oxygen and presence of moisture. Two important conditions for rust are presence of oxygen and presence of moisture. Okay. Now, next question is like anybody can say, you have to raise hand. Suggest two methods to prevent rusting. Two methods to prevent rusting. Yes, Harini?
Ma'am, galvanization
Okay.
and coating of paint.
Painting. Okay. Painting, greasing, oiling, this all are methods for preventing rust. Okay. Next is, what is role of catalyst in a chemical reaction? This is also open to all. Anybody can answer. What is role of catalyst in a chemical reaction? Anybody? Okay. So, yes, anybody? Yes, Harini? Try करने के लिए कोई punishment थोड़ी नहीं है. If anybody has any idea, you can say.
Ma'am, catalyst is a substance that can increase or decrease the reaction without taking part in the reaction.
Yes, right. So catalyst changes the speed of chemical reaction. It can increase the or decrease the rate of reaction without actually taking part in the reaction. Okay. Then next question. Siddharth. Siddharth, are you present? Siddharth? Okay. Next is, why do gold and silver do not corrode in moist air? Why do gold and silver not corrode in moist air? Anybody? Yes, Nirviksha. Okay, Siddharth, you are saying the answer? Your voice is not coming clear.
Can you tell the question?
Okay, why do gold and silver not corrode in moist air? Why do gold and silver not corrode in moist air? Okay, Siddharth, I am not able to hear you actually. Yes, Nirviksha, say the answer.
Ma'am, because it contains oxygen, and secondly, it's because of its shining.
Because what contains oxygen?
Ma'am, they contain oxygen.
No.
No. And they are
Yes, Harini.
shining.
What?
No, ma'am. I'm not raising hand.
You are not raising hand. Anybody else? Why do
Ma'am,
golden?
because they are shiny.
They are
Shiny.
shiny. Nahi. Anybody?
They are
Gold
less
and silver
reactive.
reactivity series देखी थी हमने एक्टिविटी सीरीज रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज ऑन पेज
less
नंबर
reactive.
45 उसमें गोल्ड और सिल्वर की पोजीशन कहाँ थी
Very low.
at last. Okay, so gold and silver lie very low in activity series, that is they are very less reactive. Okay, hence
Ma'am, मैंने
they
ये
do
तो
not
बोला।
corrode in moist air. Gold
मैं
and
तो ये
silver
तो
are
बोला
very
less
less reactive, so they do not corrode in moist air. Okay.
Ma'am, but if silver is kept for some time, then a black layer gets deposited
हाँ.
over it.
So actually silver sometimes actually it reacts with hydrogen sulfide gas. सिल्वर सिर्फ एक हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड गैस से रिएक्ट करता है, बाकी ऑक्सीजन और मॉइस्चर से रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. ओके, सो of course silver it's not corrosion actually, but it reacts and forms a black color coating. Okay, and corrosion में तो क्या हो जाता है, metal is eaten away. Okay, so now actually I'll be writing some reactions. Now more questions I am going to ask, but that questions will require writing reactions and showing you. So I am sharing my screen and writing on the screen. And then I'll ask questions. Okay, you all have to turn on your videos. Keep it on only. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, so okay, so Siddharth, my next question is to you. Siddharth, 1 minute. Yeah. तो ऐसे होता है ना. Yes, Siddharth. Next question is to you. Turn on your video. Okay. Identify the substance which is oxidized and substance which is reduced in this reaction. Identify the substance which is oxidized and which is reduced in this reaction. Are you able to hear me, Siddharth? Okay. Avni, you tell me substance which is oxidized and substance which is reduced in this reaction.
Zinc oxide is reduced and copper is oxidized.
Very good. Okay, zinc oxide is reduced to zinc, and copper is oxidized to copper oxide, carbon monoxide. Okay. Next. Okay. So read the question, everybody. Think what I am asking, and then I am going to ask this question one by one to all of you. Okay. So, yes, what type of reactions are represented by the following? Okay. So, first question is to Kavin. Okay. All of you turn on your videos. Kavin, first reaction, ये कौन सी टाइप की रिएक्शन है? What?
Decomposition.
Yash, is he correct? 1 minute.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, combination.
Okay. This one is combination reaction. First one, two substances combining into single one. So this is a combination reaction. Okay. Yes, Himani, what is this second one? Which type of reaction is second one?
Displacement reaction.
This is displacement reaction because यहाँ पे A displaced B from its compound. Okay. So second one is displacement reaction. Okay. Yes. Which is this third type of reaction? Yes. What? I'm not able to hear. Speak loudly.
Chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction तो है, but third वाली which type of reaction? जो हमने पढ़ी इतनी उनमें से कौन सी है?
Double displacement.
Okay, Luke is saying double displacement, right? This one is double displacement reaction. Okay. What about this fourth one?
Redox.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Displacement.
No, this is redox reaction. ठीक है? Redox reaction means involving both oxidation and reduction. हमने oxidation और reduction की एक और definition पढ़ी थी. Oxidation is a process which involves loss of electrons. Oxidation is a process which involves loss of electrons, and reduction is a process which involves gain of electrons. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? In this reaction, A is losing its 2 electrons. So here oxidation is taking place. B is gaining 2 electrons. Okay. So this is redox reaction. Okay. Nirviksha is saying something. Yes.
Ma'am, I have answered you all the questions. In
What
chat.
you are saying?
Ma'am, I have answered you in chat.
Okay. You have already answered. Acha. Okay. Good. ठीक है. Next, fifth one. Fifth one.
Decomposition.
Decomposition reaction.
This is decomposition reaction because single substance breaking into many. So this is decomposition. Okay, I am writing answers for all this. Okay, so first one is this is combination. Two substances combining into single. This one is displacement reaction. This one is double displacement reaction. And this one is decomposition reaction. Okay. Any doubt in this? किसी को भी कोई doubt है? No doubt. Okay. Now, next question. Name the oxidizing and reducing agent in the reaction. Okay, nobody will say the answer. Everybody will type the answer in chat box. Okay. So, name the oxidizing and reducing agent in the reaction. Think and then type the answer in chat box. Which substance is oxidizing here? Okay, H2S is gaining oxygen and forming H2O. Okay, तो oxidize क्या हो रहा है? H2S. So H2S is reducing agent. Okay, which substance is losing oxygen? Sulfur dioxide is losing oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is changing to sulfur. So sulfur dioxide is oxidizing agent. Is it clear? पहले ये देखना है क्या ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है और क्या रिड्यूस हो रहा है. H2S is oxidizing and SO2 is reducing. Substance which is oxidizing is reducing agent. Substance which is reducing is oxidizing agent. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harini, is it clear?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा हमेशा कंफ्यूजन रहता है और इसमें इस पे बेस्ड अगर एमसीक्यू आते हैं तो भी स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एक्चुअली. In some schools, even half-mark MCQ are asked and they are made so difficult by adding this reducing agent and oxidizing agent in MCQs. So you have to you should have a clear concept of this thing first of all. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct? Okay, 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Okay, first, iron metal is getting oxidized. Second, you have to type answer in chat box. Is getting reduced. Third, water is acting as reducing agent. then water is acting as oxidizing agent. Okay. Option A is first, second, and third. Option B is third and fourth. Option C is first, second, and fourth. And option D is second and fourth. Just type in your chat box whatever you are feeling correct for this question. Okay. So कोई भी गलत आंसर दे देगा उसके लिए कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं है. So everybody should try. तुमको जितना समझ में आया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग you can type the answer what you feel correct.
I'm ready to see my answer.
I haven't received anything yet. अभी तक तो कुछ भी नहीं आया है. सबने सेंड कर दिया है. Okay, Siddharth, what is your answer? 1 minute, I'll ask. Siddharth, what is your answer?
C.
C. Okay, Hina Limani, what is your answer?
C.
Okay, Avni? A. Okay. Yours also A. ठीक है. Okay. So answer C is correct. मतलब आयरन मेटल इज गेटिंग ऑक्साइड, ये तो ऑक्सीडाइज्ड है तो किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है. वाटर इज गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड. ठीक है. अब जो सब्सटेंस रिड्यूस होता है दैट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. तो वाटर इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. Okay, these are the 3 correct answers. We are going to discuss it again. This meeting is going to end actually. Less than 1 minute is left. So let us reconnect. Then we are going to discuss it again. Okay.